Hi, Mr. Wright here, and welcome to this film in which I'll show you how to find LCMs and HCFs. I've got several methods for this, and this film is my method number 1, which is a great method for grade 4 and 5 questions. Right, let's get on. Let's have a look at method 1 then, using Venn diagrams, and let's have a look at this example question where you have to find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple of these two numbers. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put each of the numbers into my calculator and press the fact button and write down what each of those numbers are in terms of their prime factors. So this first one is 2 squared, so I'm going to write 2 times 2, times 3 cubed, 3 times 3 times 3, times 5, times 7. And notice for this method, I'm writing them out in longhand, I'm not using powers. Now, let's put 2,220 into the calculator, press the fact button, and write down what we get. But again, I'm writing it out in longhand, I'm not using powers. Okay, now we're going to put the factors of 3,780 and the factors of 2,200 in a Venn diagram. We're going to have the factors of the first number, 3,780, in this set on the left, and we're going to have the factors of 2,220 on the right. Let's first of all identify which factors are in both, because they're going in the intersection. Look, they've both got a 2. They've both got another 2. Have they both got another 2? No. Have they both got a 3? No. Ah, look, they've both got a 5. Have they got any more factors in common? No. Right, let's look at this first number. This is the left-hand part of my Venn diagram. I've still got a 3, a 3, and a 3, and a 7. 3, 3, 3, and 7. That's that one complete. Let's look at my 2,220, the right-hand side of my Venn diagram. I've still got a 2, a 5, and an 11. 2, 5, and 11. That is all the factors put into the Venn diagram. And from there, I can read off what the highest common factor is, and I can read off what the lowest common multiple is. Let's look at the highest common factor first. I'm going to take the common factors, which are those listed in the intersection here, and multiply them together. 2 times 2 times 5, my highest common factor is 20. The lowest common multiple, well, I'm going to look not at the intersection of the sets, but at the union of the sets. So I'm going to multiply together all the factors that occur. So I've got the factors on the left-hand part, 3 times 3 times 3 times 7. The factors in the intersection, 2 times 2 times 5. And the factors on the right-hand side, 2 times 5 times 11. Put all that into your calculator, multiply them out, and you'll find that the lowest common multiple is 415,800. Okay, time to try one yourselves. I'll leave that there so you can see it, and I'll ask you, please, to take the numbers 48 and 120 and to write both of these as a product of their prime factors, fill in the Venn diagram, and hence write down their lowest common multiple and their highest common factor. Pause the film now and have a go. Okay, so 48. I hope you put that into your calculator and press the fact button and got 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And the 120, put that into your calculator, press the fact button, and you get 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Right, your Venn diagram. I hope you put 48 on the left and 120 on the right. I hope you looked for what they have in common. They've got a 2. They've got another 2. They've got another 2. They haven't got a 3. Ah, they have got a 3. And then on the left, I've just got the factor of 2 left here. That's that one down. And on the right, I've just got a 5 left. Now, underneath your Venn diagram, you know that the highest common factor is going to be the factors in the intersection multiplied together. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. That gives you 24. And you know that the lowest common multiple is going to be all the factors shown multiplied together. 2 from the left, times 2, times 2, times 2, times 3 in the intersection, times by 5. Gives you a lowest common multiple of 240. So well done if you got that. That is method 1 of finding HCFs and LCMs, and method 1 involves finding the factors, putting them in a Venn diagram, and reading off the intersection for the highest common factor and the union for the lowest common multiple.